If you are an HR specialist, a recruiter, you recruit IT positions, and you finally want to understand what is written in a JD or a CV, I've got something really cool for you today. We are going to look at the job description, which focuses on a Java software engineer, a full stack engineer. And I'll tell you what are the 2 or 3 key pieces of information that really matter most for IT developers, for IT specialists. If you would like to learn how to speak to developers with confidence, you can just go to thesmalltalkguide.com, where you'll find a lot more content like this that will help you interact with IT candidates. So here is the JD. I also have it opened on my iPad so you can read it a little better. All right. So looking at the title, you can obviously see they're looking for a full stack and Java engineer. So full stack means to be able to work on both backend and frontend, and Java is a backend programming language. You can also see this visualized in our mind maps. We have a booklet with mind maps, so if you'd like to just keep it on your desk, some of these mind maps are really cool. It helps you see what are the frameworks, what are the languages, and how they are connected. So I'm now talking about the backend Java language, and there are some frameworks that should be used. So let's figure out what the framework is used here, which actually is not written. So we don't know what framework do they use. This is really a key piece of information. I would totally recommend asking the hiring manager, what framework do you use? I can show you the mind map where you would see, for example, the web development frameworks. Spring is really trending these days, or Grails, right? Like these are popular frameworks, or Google Web Toolkit, GWT here. Okay, so this is something you should ask a hiring manager. And next key piece of information for me would be experience with relational databases and also understanding NoSQL storage. So NoSQL is actually non-relational databases. Relational databases such as Oracle or MySQL. What they also mention is experience with performance tuning queries, which is usually happening in a database, for example, in MySQL or in Oracle. This is really important. And it indicates to me they are looking for someone really senior, because juniors don't usually fine-tune the performance of a database. And juniors usually don't know both relational and non-relational databases. So this all tells me they're looking for someone senior. And they are looking for someone who would be working on the RESTful services, which in other ways is just say we are looking for someone to build APIs, backend APIs. They don't mention anything in regards to the front end, which is quite interesting, because here on top they mentioned they're looking for a full stack developer, but there is nothing about the front end part of it. What framework should this person use on the front end? Nothing written. The rest in this job description is just fluff. For example, experience using Git. Pretty much everyone uses Git these days, and intrapersonal skills, and like the rest is just fluff. So this is what I would focus on in this case. And if you like what you've heard so far, even in this really short video, and you would like to learn how to interact with IT candidates with confidence, you can just go to thesmalltalkguide.com, where you will find a workbook, you will find a course, you will find lots of additional videos to help you interact with IT candidates with confidence. Okay, so I'll wrap it up here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.